Trying out the new wrist mount. Don't have anything to say, but figured I'd check to see how it does in this mode. I'm up at Odiorne Point State Park, so we'll see some pretty cool stuff. Those are gonna be a little bit tricky. Ideally, I want the sun behind the camera so it's lighting me up. I've changed the selfie screen so that instead of using the full screen of the front, it's just showing me what the back screen looks like. Difference being the front screen is square and the primary screen, the rear screen, is rectangular. So that's what you actually get. But lighting's important. Knowing what your actual shot is, that's important. I am also gonna work on dial, I'd say, guys. Have a reason to watch this that goes beyond the meta, which would probably mean I have to research the areas I'm doing a little bit better. Like with Odiorne, I know there's some cool naval history here with those bunkers that we ran through and those artilleries, all the armory stuff. Before I got here, I was at Fort McClary up in Maine. They're doing a nice event today. So they had all those 1800 style tents, 1700 style white A-frame cabin style tents. That looks pretty cool. I won't be able to make it back up there later today when they're doing stuff, but the gate was open. I ran into a gentleman who was up and about looking for coffee. He told me more about it. I've been to these places a few times. I just don't know the history fresh in mind right now. But if you're ever looking for someplace that's a little bit different for running, yeah, these places are interesting, definitely. If you ever want to do photo sprints, which is where you run from one really cool thing, take a couple pictures of it, to another really cool thing, take a couple pictures there. It's a cool variation of track where you just don't have exact distances. And it's also track with the trail. So, again, variations will keep things interesting.